You have also been a part of the essay guidance program. And what are the things about the essay guidance program in general, and about overall things that you could pick up from forum which you used in your essay writing in the actual UPSC exam?
Right, sir. So I joined the essay guidance program in 2021, not in this attempt. And back then they used to, I do not know as of now, but they are providing with very good model essay answers. So from that you can pick up the quotes, anecdotes, or how you can see how they are maintaining the flow. The fluidity is there, and how the arguments are, for example, the philosophical essays, how they are making them more reality oriented, and how they are substantiating with the examples, how the arguments are being given, the counter arguments. So all those things can be seen from that. From in this attempt, sir, I deliberately, in my last attempt, I used a lot of technical jargons. I think I forced quotes where they were not even needed. In this attempt, my this way of approaching was very simple, that I would start with an anecdote or any quote, then I would interpret the quote in the terms to reduce the abstractness, and then I would firstly give arguments to support those the arguments, and then I would substantiate them with the examples. Then after that was over, I would give counter arguments also. So for example, a topic is given to you that death is an opportunity. So you will give it, for example, you can approach it within mindset like, what is death? Death of an idea, death of an opinion, death of a civilization. And then what is opportunity? Opportunity to grow, opportunity to learn, opportunity to see things differently. And then at the end you can give counter arguments also, that death can be the end of life also. For example, it is end of biological life. So and then after that you can conclude it with the conclusions or whatever you have prepared. So.